What's good, you guys? My name is Jovel Roystan. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing for James Oro. They sent me a few pieces from their latest collection and I'm really excited. I found James Oro on Instagram a few months ago and I started following them, and they happened to reach out a few weeks later and asked me if I wanted to do a video for them. And I was really excited because there were some frames that I had my eyes on for a really long time, but I just hadn't bought them yet. And they sent them to me in addition to the new collection. So I'm excited to show you those pieces and walk you guys through the collection. All right, so let's get straight to it. I'm gonna start unboxing these bad boys and I'm really excited to see how they look in person. Okay. I'm gonna get it, I promise. There we go, there we go. These are like those, what are those little like cup dolls? I don't want to say the wrong country, but those little dolls where it's like you open one and then you have to open another, then you have to open another, then you have to open another. Okay, we got one, we got to the frames. Okay, since I have like all of these to go, I'm just gonna unbox them and then we'll look through each one together. Okay. Alright guys, so we got the collection unboxed. I am liking what I've seen so far, so let me take you through them. I love that with the new collection, it's all about these like really angular or rectangular frames. Those are really cool. They feel very modern, almost a little futuristic in a cool way. So for those of you that are really technical when it comes to eyewear, some of the details, they have a premium black 8mm acetate frame. They got UV 400 protection. There's an internal wire core detail. And I really love, one of my favorite details is the emblem that they have not only on the frames, but they also have it on the side of the handles. So they're really cool. I like the one in gold on the side. And then they have a really subtle one right here in the front. Once you open up the box, you're gonna get a cleaning cloth, you'll get a 1-year warranty, and you will also get a nice textured case to keep your glasses safe. And of course, there's also the frames. The best part, right? So you got a lot of options to find the perfect style for you, and life is better with options. So let's look at some of the ones that I got. You got a more classic black style. There's a matte black style, which I wasn't expecting. You got gold hardware, they're tinted lenses, and they're also different color frames. So I like this tortoise style that I got. And yeah, from there, you just gotta figure out which one you want. And maybe that's the hardest part. All right guys, so I'm gonna try on each one and give you a closer look. Let's go. First up, we got the black RYDER. So like I said earlier, this is a black acetate frame. We got a gold dip nose bridge right here. You see the emblem on the side. I hope you can see it from this angle, but you probably can't see the one on the lens. But yeah, I like these. I think they're pretty cool. I wasn't sure how they would look on my face because of how thin they are, but yeah, I like them. So these ones are cool. These are the black RYDERs. Next, we got the smoke tint matte black RYDERs. So pretty similar, just you got a matte detail right here. So give you a closer look. I like it. Pretty much same aesthetic, minus the gold bridge. But yeah, these are cool. Let's go to the next one. Up next, we got a tortoise frame one. So I'll show you from the side just to make sure that it's in view. Got the gold emblem on the side, which I really love. It's one of my favorite details about these. And then you got the tortoise shell. Oh, it's so crazy how the color, the tint, I guess I didn't realize that the tint was like a nice little brown, so everything is in sepia right now. But yeah, these look really cool. Yeah, I really do like this lens. I don't think I have any frames with this type of tint, this specific tint, so it's pretty cool. I think they look good. And these are the tortoise blase, so the next 3 styles are gonna be the blase style. So they're a little bit less angular, I think. These ones feel a little bit more rectangular, whereas these are like a little bit rounded. Next, we got the blue tint black blase. So you got that same sort of angular type of style. I like that you can see my eyes a little bit more in these. And you got the blue tint. These are really calming. You know how they say like colored tints sort of like have different effects on your mood. So I can kind of see how these would be a little bit more relaxing. I like them. I think they're pretty cool. Oh, I really like them. I wasn't expecting these to be my favorite, but these might be my favorite, actually. Of the new collection, the clear AVANT, I cannot wait to try those on, because I'm sure those are gonna be my favorite frames of all time, but yeah. And then last but not least, we got the black blase. So similar effect, you can't see my eyes as much with these ones, but yeah, same aesthetic, same like shape. I like these. I think they look really good. They look a lot better on my face than I was expecting. I wasn't sure because like I don't really wear thin frames, but I like it. I'm into these. I'm into all 5. All right, so these are the 5 styles that I got from collection 2, drop 4 to be specific. I'm gonna show you the 2 other styles that I requested real quick, just because I want you to be able to see what they look like. And then I'm gonna style out these looks to show you how I would wear the drop 4 pieces. Alright, so these are the brown tint Baron Caviars. I like these, I think they're really cool and chill. They have a really cool color palette as well. So you have the black and gold on the sides. Let me show you the details. So you can see these details on the side, which I really like. But then the tint is like this really nice reddish brown color. And you even get a pop of red on the side, so collectively it's just like one really cool color palette. And I think because you get those 4 color elements, you can probably mix and match it with a lot of things, which I love because you guys know I love a good color palette. So yeah, I like this style. I think these are really cool. And then finally, I'm so excited to try these on for the first time. The clear Avants. These are the frames that made me follow them. I was like, these look so good. I love them. I'm so excited to have them. All right, let's try it. I think they look so good. I just like love the structure, the almost like 3-dimensionality of them. Yeah, they just look really cool. Like check out I don't even know how to describe like the glassy type of clear frame design. Like I just love how like big, how much they pop. Like they're really cool. Yeah, and they look dope. I'm excited to bring these bad boys out. I'm really loving these. Oh man. Yeah, they just feel really cool. Oh man, I love these so much. Yes! Oh, I love them. Okay, I'm gonna take these off for just a second so that we can get to these looks. You guys know I love showing you guys some outfits that I put together. Show you guys how I would wear these things in the street. So I got 5 looks coming for the collection to drop 4 pieces from James Oro. Let's do it. Alright you guys, that's the first look at the new pieces dropping in the James Oro collection to drop 4. They're available now on the website, so go over to jamesoro.com to find your favorite pair. And in addition to these new pieces, you can also find their entire assortment, which includes the clear Avants that I showed you earlier and the Baron Caviars, so you will definitely find something to love. If you want to check out more from James Oro, you can find them on TikTok at James Oro Eyewear and on Instagram at James Oro. And with that said, let me know what you think down below. If you liked any of the outfits, let me know what your favorite pair is. I want to hear your thoughts and your opinions. Also, if there are other brands to check out, let me know down below. With that said, you know the deal. Comment, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Share with your friends, and I will catch you on the next one. Later.